Good day everyone. I am Silabao from Group 1. Our topic for today is non-government organization. What is non-government organization? Non-government organization, mostly working in limited territories, NGOs are often characterized by their intensive collaboration with local stakeholders to improve their beneficiaries' conditions. ST 1992 defined NGOs as those non-profit, often voluntary, organizations that carry broad range of social development functions with and on behalf of people. Non-governmental organization or NGO is an organization established by a group of individuals that wishes to pursue goals and aspirations that relate to the public, social, or political good of a nation or the world. Ang non-government organization is stated naman diri na group ni siya sa mga tao na naay goal na sila goal na ganahan nila i-achieve within the community. Mao na yung non-government organization. Next, na ito table diri the World Bank 1989 provides a classic categorization of NGOs. First category is community association. Community association represent voices of people from different communities and act as a bridge between members of the communities and government. In simple terms, ang community association is kay mao ni siya tulay or way na para naay interaction between sa community member o ang government. Mao na community association. Next is policy advocacy groups. Policy advocacy groups have local, national, and international levels of participation, serve as catalysts for collective action among poor persons and societies unaccustomed to such behavior. Ang policy advocacy groups kay mao ni ang magsilbi na tingog for poor people gani sa ilang society. Mao na policy advocacy groups. Next is service provider intermediaries. Service provider intermediaries have national and international levels of participation. Serve remote areas and communities, especially those who fail to receive government programs. Seek fund through income generating activities which are mostly non-profit. Ang service provider intermediaries kani mao they provide gani og mga examples, food, ayuda, etc. or unsa pa nang kinahanglan sa mga tao nga naay sa ilang community nga mao gina-need. Mao ni service provider ang provide og mga needs sa tao. Let's move to another. Next is contractors. Contractors involved in sponsored projects as consultants to government agencies or to international financial institutions that gain the profit at all. Sabotable naman ni constructor sa kay ba naman taon sa ni. Ang next is cooperatives. Cooperatives protect and provide economic benefits to the needy. Are performed when a task cannot be done on the individual, such as obtaining credit. Cernia 1988, 13-4. Estes 1992. Kay ba naman taon sa ning cooperative. Next na sa itong next topic. Next topic is interrelationship of government and non-state institution. Government plays a vital role in human society because it is expected that its effort and initiatives must be aligned with politic welfare and service. Personal interest must be the least concern of the bureaucracy in ensuring just will and avoid societal dysfunction. Failure to perform bureaucratic functions will lead to different forms of conflict among societies. How does government relate to non-state institutions? Governments face varying demands from its constituents. When governments are unable to address such demands and the related issues, non-state institutions create responses to facilitate government intervention through policy campaigns or even actual delivery of demanded services and products. So, relationship between sa non-state institution of sa government is kanang gistate. So, ang gistate diri kay og unsay connection between sa non-state institution of sa government. So, move ta sa next. There are 4 parts of interrelationship of government and non-state institution. So, first is economic alliance. Second is national security. Third is disaster mitigation and risk reduction. Fourth is social development. So, I'll be only discussing the first one, economic alliance, kay ang 2, 3, 4 kay si Rian na ana. So, what is economic alliance? Economic alliance in a continuously globalizing world, interdependence among states in procuring commodities and services is inevitable. The lack of supply in one country can be addressed by another country that has a surplus of which, as raw materials become scarcer and more difficult to procure. Economic alliance presents itself as one of the solutions. This aims to promote economic improvement and at the same time resolve issues concerning closed. So, ang economic alliance is kana ganing palitan ato ang country kay need og supply sa food. So, na other country na mo-help sa ato og supply sa food. Maunay economic alliance kanang mag like ang isa ka country kay magdepende sa food sa isa ka country if makasupply ba sila ingana, for example. Yes, mo to.